Hi, my name is Emma Kate Burden, and I have just finished my chicken wing dissection. So I'm gonna have my computer sit a little like that so it's a little easier for you to see. So what I'm gonna start off by showing is, so here's my chicken wing, and so this is the shoulder joint right here. This is the shoulder joint right here, where you go into the have the humerus of the wing, and then the bigger bone up here, right here, is the ulna, and the bone below is the radius. And you have the elbow joint here, which has between the elbow joint, the cartilage in there is articular cartilage, as you can see, like right here. And then you have the synovial fluids and the synovial membrane that is also in between the elbow joint right here. And so this is just something kind of cool that I found with the chicken wing, but I've actually kind of cut it off, so it might be easier to do this. So this is the, so if you have the chicken wing here and you pull on, if you pull on this muscle right here, you see that it straightens the chicken wing, and that is the flexor muscle, and then the bottom kind of pulls the chicken wing in, and that is the extensor muscle. So, but I've kind of cut those, and what holds these muscles together are the tendons, and you can see the white tendon right there. So yes, I'll just review what I've said. So this is the humerus, the ulna is right here, the radius is right here. This is the elbow joint and the elbow of the chicken wing, and the cartilage in between this is the articular cartilage, and the synovial membrane is, there we go, right there, that is filled with synovial fluids. And so, yes, that is the rest of chicken wing dissection.